This very brief little walkthrough is going to demonstrate for you how to upload a link to a shared Google document for your course project so that when I go to evaluate it for grading, I'll have the rubric in D2L up, but then I'll be able to click on the link that you provide to your shared document that will be in the cloud. And I'll be able to make some comments directly in your document a lot more easily than I can within the very clunky confines of D2L's grading. So rather than just upload your document to me, I'm going to want you to upload a link to the shared document. So let me just walk you through how I would do that. So I'm logged in as a student in D2L, and I'm going to go to assignments here. And I'm going to go and I'm going to pretend that I'm uploading a document as part of project number 1, part 3. And you'll notice that it says for me that it's not submitted. So I'm going to upload this now, and I'm going to upload a link to my document that I've been working on within a Google document. But this could also be a Word document that you're working on, except you just need to save it on a shared server. So here I am. I'm going to flip over now to my Google Docs, and let's just suppose for argument's sake that this is my project, my whole project, and I've worked on project number 1, and I've gotten some feedback for that, and I've worked on part 2 of the project, but now I'm going to go to part 3. So again, what you're seeing is a copy of the template that I provided as a Google document, but this could also be a Word document that you just place on a shared server like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive or iCloud from Apple. It doesn't really matter. The processes are going to be the same. So again, it could be a Word document, or it could be, in this case, a Google document. And here I am in the document, and I'm going to go to share it. And I'm not sure what yours is going to look like in your shared drive, but it'll be similar to this. I'm going to click on share. And it shows me right now that the only people with access is me as the author. But I want anyone with a link to be able to edit it. Now, you could just put commentator, and most of what I'm going to do is comment on your document. But sometimes I might need to actually write stuff right in the document for you. So it's best if you select editor as the share type for anyone with a link. So that's how I have set this document up. So I'm going to copy the link there, and it says link copied. So now I know my link is copied. I'm done. So now I'm going to go back to D2L, and here I am. I'm going to upload that link that I just copied to my shared document. And again, you'll notice that I adjusted the permissions so that anybody with this link could be an editor. And that's okay, because you're just going to submit this link directly to me in D2L. So I'm going to click on not submitted. I'm going to click that. And here I am on the form for uploading my project. Here it is. Here it is. I'm going to put in the comments section, I'm going to put something like, here is a link to my document. You don't even have to say anything. And I'm going to paste it. Whoops, look at that. Spelled that wrong. Document. I'm going to right mouse click, and I'm going to paste what I copied. So there, I just copied the link into the window where here's a link to my document. Unfortunately, when I click submit, watch what happens. It says you must select at least one file. Now, I don't care to have a copy of your actual document uploaded. I only care about this link that I can then edit and refer to. But just maybe for backup, you can upload any file you like, to be honest with you. But I'm going to click add a file, and I'm going to go to the actual file on my Google Drive. And that's the document. So I went ahead and just selected that document. And now, in addition to the link, it is going to upload the actual document into D2L, which I did. I selected at least one file, and I'm submitting it. I'm still going to use the link when I go to evaluate this for you. I'm going to click on that link, and I'm going to actually put notes right in your document. And that's going to make things easier for all of us. And that is how you submit the link. And again, I also have a copy of your actual documents submitted, but I don't really need that. But perhaps it'll be good to have that as a backup anyway. So I wish that you didn't have to actually submit an actual file. That's part of D2L, was coded in about the late 1990s. D2L stands for Desire to Learn, and which I think is a very optimistic optimistic label for a product like this, but perhaps overly optimistic. But it does work well in some capacities. So that's all you have to do to submit the link to me, and I am done. And that's all you need to do. And then you'll be able to see within this window that you submitted it, and you'll also get a confirmation email as well. So that's how you do it.